Welcome to Divide and Design Room Divider Inspiration, your ultimate destination for unlocking the secrets to transforming your living spaces with style and functionality. Our channel is your go to resource for all things room dividers, where we will guide you through the art of dividing and conquering your space while enhancing its aesthetics. Are you ready? Are you tired of staring at that dull open floor plan? Feeling overwhelmed by the need for privacy or a dedicated workspace? Look no further. Our channel is dedicated to helping you redefine your living environment with innovative room divider solutions. At Divide and Design, we believe that room dividers are more than just functional separators. They are design elements that can elevate your home's interior to a whole new level. Our experienced team of interior designers, dye enthusiasts, and space saving aficionados will take you on a journey through the endless possibilities of room dividers. What can you expect from us? Number 1, Inspiration Galore. Get ready to explore a world of creativity with room divider ideas that cater to a various styles, from minimalistic and modern to rustic and vintage. Number 2, Practical Tips. We will provide you with practical tips and tricks on choosing the right room divider for your space, ensuring that you maximize both form and function. Dye projects.